A couple years ago, I used to teach English here in Vietnam, and I would have this activity. If you had $1 million, what would you do? And it's a question that everyone could get behind, and everyone would enjoy that question, but like, what would you do? So often, there's all these stories about people who get money and the money ruins their lives, but I don't believe that money's bad. I actually don't. I think that money is simply a tool. It's just like a screwdriver or a knife. You can use a knife to kill someone, but you can also use a knife to build a house. You can use a knife to cut food and prepare food for the homeless. You can use a hammer to hit someone in the head and go to prison. But you can also use a hammer to build houses for homeless people. Money is the same. Money is a thing that you have that you can use for whatever you want. In this video we're going to show you guys, we went to Danang, and V starts off the video with a quote. If you had all the money in the world, what would you do? And V goes on to say that if she had all the money in the world, she would use it to build experiences, to give things to our family. So this is one of the things that we used our money for. It's a trip with our family to get an experience in Danang. This is our family in Danang. What is that? It's a big airplane. You want to go play on the airplane?
No, airplane.
Airplane? Yeah. Is it fun?
No.
No fun?
Đi tài trợ cho ba mẹ đi Đà Nẵng chơi.
It's so early. It's really, we're all sleepy. Mọi người bỗng ngủ quá.
Đang đi ăn bánh xèo miền Trung, và quán bánh xèo Bà Dưỡng này rất là nổi tiếng. Vi được người bạn yêu dấu của Vi, đó là bạn Duy Hải giới thiệu. Hy vọng là hôm nay ăn sẽ no bụng, tối nay chạy chương trình đi mà đã.
Ngon không Nhi ơi? Vi ơi.
Đây là bánh xèo của bà Dưỡng. Lần đầu tiên mẹ được Vi dắt đi ăn nè, chứ ra đây không biết ăn nữa.
It was a lot of fun, some good food. Everyone had a great time eating bánh xèo.
Bây giờ mình chuẩn bị buổi sáng thứ hai ngay tại Đà Nẵng là mình sẽ đi chùa. Sau đó mình sẽ đi Hội An. Và đầu tiên mình phải ăn trước cái đã, tại vì mình quá đói bụng. Ăn bún cá. Tới tượng mẹ Văn Anh để cầu nguyện, mong cho mọi chuyện được suôn sẻ, chuyến đi Mỹ sắp tới sẽ được vui vẻ, và đặc biệt là cả nhà luôn khỏe mạnh. Vậy là vui rồi.
Here in Danang at the giant Quan Yin or Quan Am statue. Rồi đi đến Hội An. We're here in Hội An. Here's me and V. Cái này là cái gì em?
Tàu hũ đá.
Anh gì em?
Đây là tàu hũ nóng. Ở trên nóng, ở dưới lạnh, tại dưới có đá, không biết tại sao luôn. Bây giờ mình ăn cao lầu, đây là quán cao lầu Trúc Bắc. Nãy ở đây thì rất là nhiều quán cao lầu nhưng mà chú Đùi có nghĩa là ba của Di là buộc phải ăn ở đây mới chịu, cho nên nãy giờ đi một vòng muốn xỉu luôn vậy đó.
Kìa kìa, quay cái mỏ rồi, làm lại cái mỏ đi. Nó. Kìa, làm lại cái mỏ coi, cái mỏ coi.
Gentlemen, now we're heading to the show tonight. It's one of the biggest firework competition. Tonight's going to be my husband's team from US. And I will sing for my husband's team.
There was a study that I read, and they said that if you want happiness, don't buy things, buy experiences. Growing up, my dad was really awesome, and my mom too, because they got us things, but they did everything they could to take us out, to see the world, to experience the world. Yes, and Dad, I hate you and I love you for this. I mean, we'd go to church and we would do things that were fun on the weekends, but so often my dad would be like, we're gonna go explore today. And he would pack us into the car and we would just take off into the countryside. And as a kid, it was tiring, it was exhausting, but those memories have stuck with me till today. And that's one of the things that is really important for V and I, is to give Ailani experiences, to give her memories, because things will fade. I have of my childhood, this is it. This is all that I have of my toys from a kid. It's a tiny little box. But memories, I have so many. I have millions of memories of being a kid. And that's what I want to give our Ailani. That's what I want to have for my family, is so that when we're gone, we all are going to be gone someday. But something remains with someone. That the lives that we've touched, the people that we've experienced, that lives forever. So, if you won $1 million, what would you do? Because money's not bad. Money's a beautiful thing. It's what you do with it that matters. Take care, guys.
Hãy like và bấm theo dõi trang của Vi nhé.